You search for how to buy shares of Bpost SA. Bpost is the Belgian postal and logistics company listed on Euronext under the ticker BPOST.BR. This video is educational only and not financial advice. It explains steps to place an order and does not promise returns. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BPOST.BR to find the listing. Select the result that shows Bpost SA on Euronext to ensure it is the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the page displays Bpost SA in the BPOST.BR ticker so you know it is the right stock. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute at market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform as an informational resource.